Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I made a video about removing the air filter in a vehicle to pass the ITV, a question that you had left me to see if it was a good idea, and well, I put you in that same video. I'll leave you the link. I gave you the example of a boy who did that with the vehicle, who went to pass the vehicle's ITV and instead of shooting it for carbon monoxide, what they did was shoot for the lambda value, which was too high. If you look at it, the vehicle has emissions with the lambda value outside the allowed range, of course. You look up, here it is, this is the symbol of the lambda factor, it gives it 1049, why did it give it this? Because when you remove the air filter, so much air entered the vehicle. You already know that the lambda probe measures the oxygen that is there after combustion. The oxygen that is produced, then, when so much air enters, a lot of oxygen enters, and of course, the vehicle tries to compensate it injecting more gasoline. Okay, of course. You can't compensate for all that amount of oxygen, and that's why the value comes out. That's why here it already indicates a very poor mixture, okay, because the mixture has much more air or oxygen, that fuel, gasoline. Okay, well, as I said, I'll leave you the link of that video so you can see it, and well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.